want the best tasting orange juice, you let in only the best.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Alabama State Police, the Houston County Fire Department, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. All residents 10 to 15 miles of the Joseph M. Filey nuclear plant should take action to evacuate immediately. If you hear 3 short blasts or sirens, you should evacuate immediately. At 5:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a catastrophic explosion was reported by Entergy, the plant operator. Before you evacuate, prepare your residents for a 3-week absence. Turn off air conditioning units, fans, turn off lights and taps, and turn down fireplaces. Take medications, important documents such as passports and IDs, toothbrushes, and a supply of food and water. Do not pick up juveniles or seniors from school or nursing homes. These satellites are currently taking action now. If you do not have means of transportation, wave a red cloth, or ask neighbors or local authorities. Before leaving your residence, tie a white towel or any high visibility object to indicate you have followed procedures. Livestock should be abandoned. Keep a 3-week supply of food and water if time permits. Residents should follow these directions when evacuating. From Columbier, travel straight onto Main Road to Halebrink Baptist Church. From Williams, turn left to Silo Free Will Baptist Church and continue to Pleasant Plains Baptist Church. From Cedar Springs, turn left and continue to Cedar Springs Baptist Church, and turn left and go straight. Turn left and continue to Hilton Methodist Church. From Ardeel and Tennessee, turn left, then turn right, and continue for 2 miles. Turn right into Ashford, and turn right to Ashford Recreational Park. From Gordon, Alaga, and Saffold, turn onto the main road and continue to Johnson, then turn right to Johnson City Library. All residents 15 to 50 miles from the plant should shelter in place immediately. Do not stay if you live 1 to 15 miles of the plant. You risk life-threatening radioactivity. If you or another person has the following symptoms: hair loss, loss of appetite, pneumonia, or vomiting, alert a local authority or call 911 immediately. Residents should refrain from contacting lakes or creeks, especially the Caloosahatchee River.